Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Radha, and today's we are back with another episode of bag review. Today I want to introduce you to a lifestyle bag that you might be interested in. If you're following me for a while, you probably know I love this brand. But if you're new here, Oleada is a woman-owned bags company that I love. They value not only quality but sustainability. They have such a unique bag and their bags are super versatile and functional, and I just love it. The reasons I call it as a lifestyle bag is that their bags can be used in any occasions or everyday basis, which I think that is really amazing. If you're interested or curious about this brand, I will put the link in down below so you guys can check them out. Feel free to use my code RADHAXOleada to enjoy your 20% off and up to 50% off on their summer sales. So yeah, enjoy. And today I got a couple bags to unbox and give you guys an honest review. This is how the packaging looks like. I love it. It's very nice packaging. You will receive this kind of box and it says Oleada Designs in New York. And here is what we are waiting for. It does come with the dust bag, which is super nice, and it's matched with my bag. This is the Mini Marina Carry-All Scarlet, and to be honest, I've never got any color of the bag like this, so I'm super excited to add this bag in my wardrobe, and she's so pretty. I love the style of this bag, super trendy and just looks so elegant. I just love how thoughtful Oleada is to leave the tags and the symbol of the letter here just to let the customers see the materials, and I just love the idea of it. Here is how it looks up front and on the side and in the back. And in the bottom, there are feet to support the bag, which I love so that your leather not get scratches. And yeah, I think it's such a good idea. Love the gold hardware with scarlet red. It's just so perfect combinations. And it's just so nice and have so many compartments, which is the best. There are 3 compartments, one in the front and the main 2 zipper in the middle. I found it very spacious even though it's called mini. But yeah, this is the perfect bag even for work or like for everyday use for people who like to carry a lot of things. I think it's such a great bag. And so here is how it looks inside, and there is even zipper inside, which is great. Another compartment at the front. Love that. There is a small pocket up front that you can attach your card holder. This is how it will look. Definitely my to-go bag. This Mini Marina Carry-Alls is available in 2 different colors. It's a chocolate and scarlet. I love the scarlet. I feel like it's super nice to wear it in fall. So I'm so excited about this. And on this box, I got it is the strap for Marina Carry-All, which I'm so excited, so that you can use it as a crossbody. Here is the look. I also received this duffel charm, which I found is very interesting and super cute. I have some of my stuff right here, but I will show you guys a little bit more. It's coated nylon and the vegan leather, which I think is adorable. These are all what I got, and now let's see what fits inside. My bag is very much full right now, but I want to show you guys what can fit inside. So I a little bit overpacked. At the very front, I have the Brista card holder. I have my AirPods here. Very cute. I love how it fits inside. I don't have anything to stack in this very first compartment, but I will definitely leave some of my receipts or anything like that, like the little small paper in the very front, so just too easy to grab as well, I guess. Main compartments, let me open this up so you guys could see. I have a bunch of stuff. I believe I can fit more, but these are my essentials, and as I mentioned earlier, I a little bit overpacked, but these are something that I would carry with me when I go somewhere. So first I have my phone, and this is the 14 Pro Max. I have the wallet. I have a fan. This is the Jisoo Live. I love it. It's very powerful and it's very compact, so I loved it. I also have my hand sanitizer just in case I need to use it. I got my sunnies. These are from Spect. I love this brand. It's just super good quality and it's very affordable. I have my hand cream. This is the one I just got and it smells actually pretty good. It's a powdery rose and it's just so nice packaging. I love it. Next, I do have the pen, and then I have this duffel charm. You might think what can fit in here, but it's actually spacious for this little bag. So I decided to put like all my makeup stuff in here. So I have like my inhaler, and you guys know I love that. I have the brush on, the powder from Charlotte Tilbury. I got some, this is the concealer. I have my lip balm, my lipstick, the Charlotte Tilbury lip, and the perfume. This is from Jo Malone and I just love the smell so much. So yeah, so it fits everything that I need for the makeup and I'm surprised. So I will put everything back in here. Ta-da! And then in this pocket, I have the mint, the jewelry bag. Eisentown brings just this jewelry bag just to save the space. So this is the pocket. It fits perfectly in this little pocket. On the other side, I do have the earphone, which is very helpful. If my AirPod is out of battery, I can use this instead. So yeah, that was it on the first compartment. I'm pretty happy with what it fits because it's actually fit a ton. It's also fit water bottle, like if you needed to. But in this case, I'm not gonna put my water bottle. The last compartment here, I have a book. If you are going somewhere, want to bring your book, and this is a perfect bag for that. I do have iPad 11 and I just want to see if it's gonna fit inside this bag. So I'm gonna try to put it in the main compartments because I feel like that is the biggest. It's actually fitted inside. As you can see, the shape is a little bit off of the structure. So I would not recommend. If you're looking for like work bag, I would upgrade to the bigger size. Overall, I think this bag is such a perfect for lifestyle / daily bag. I think it is super nice Very practical, very versatile. It's spacious and definitely fit all of your essentials. I almost think this is a tote bag already. It's a great design, well-made bag, and the quality is just on top. That is it about this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you are interested in Oleada bag, I will leave the link in down below, and feel free to use my code RADA X Oleada to enjoy your 20% off and up to 50% off on their summer sale. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.